No, it's coming to check. No.
He said timeout. Hold on.
Get between him and the basket. You can get this ball. Not making a shot. Give me that. Thank you.
It's out of bounds on Elijah. I thought it hit you. I thought it hit you, yellow. It hit yellow, didn't it? All right. And I thought it hit Elijah. It looked like it hit you last, Elijah. Go ahead.
Right here.
Up. That's the ball. That's their ball.
Y'all moving me.
You can't let them get all in your chest like that. They should never even have the opportunity. Keep the ball away from them.
Score?
6-1.
How we set?
Hey, boy, you better.
You go with this stuff again, I'm not doing anything. I'm trying to get the ball.
He's trying to keep you from running to that side, and you trying to run into only that side. There you go. No, what that matter? If he score, I swear I'm getting mad. You think he care? He a fool. He don't care. You better do your job as much as you can.
I'm so scared, huh?
Y'all got 2-6, right?
No, come get the check.
Elijah, where you at? Woo! Was that damn near and one? Woo! That was nice. Hurry up, get back. Hurry. One more chance. Ah, hurry up. He ain't made it back yet. Shoot it. Let him shoot, damn it. He playing mind games with him. He don't even believe in your shot, boy. Scotty playing mind games with him. Uh-oh. Quick draw. Quick draw, McGraw. Quick draw, McGraw. Pew, pew. That's one. Make one more. It got to be 2 in a row. That's 2 in a row, y'all. Go ahead, down and back. Better hurry up before they make another 2 in a row. That's 1. And you know what? I think I see something I like too. So when one player hit, it's on the next player to hit, the other teammate. You feel me? But it got to be 2 in a row. You feel what I'm saying? Then the other team got to go again. 4-6 is a real game. Let's get it. Oh, that ain't no foul. You just tripped over his leg. Dribble with the other hand. You dribbling with the wrong hand.
How you do that?
You dribbling with the wrong hand. Good block.
That's a block. That's a point.
That's a point.
Let's get my meat too. That's 7 for us and 4 for them.
7-4.
Make that 80. Right.
Pass that, boy. You need to work on your passes. I would have got that to him in a zip.
Right here.
What are you doing, you old man?
Oh, it's a little more pressure. I would have went in.
No, it wouldn't have.
Cause no one was guarding. No one guarded him.
Wait. He airballed and then where'd it go?
I was right here. And it hit the back of
that. It hit that?
Yeah. No, it hit right there.
After it bounced?
And then Julian got it back and missed. And then I got it back and then I blocked it and then put it up.
It hit that after it bounced though.
Yeah.
So it bounced good on the inside? Oh, it's still good then.
Well, it's still good.
Yeah, if it just hit that.
It's like it touching the
Well, you was guarding him. He looked like he just ran out there by his damn self.
He literally like this. Dad was like, I'll get to him in a zip. And he went all the way out here. What are you, old man? He went out here and said,
Yeah, he just walked out there. Yeah, he walked right out there. Come on. Check rock.
Orion, are you a cheater? Orion. No, you will not. Slap me here.
Check rock.
Hey, you always.
I mean, hurry up. Shoot your free throw.
Shoot that. 2 point. Yeah, oh my gosh, get it again.
For real. Keep on asking motherfuckers and get what you asking for if you want. Get that man what he asking for. Oh.
Now we have 8. What we going to that, 11?
Mm-hmm.
Stop doing that.
Dumb as hell.
Right. You got it.
Oh. Give it back to him. Give it to Elijah. Never mind.
For no reason.
Should have passed it. You ran over there. Well, you could have passed it over there.
Oh my.
Get over here, Drew. Somebody push him.
My fault. What? Come on, please.
Hurry. Yep.
Go out.
Yep. He remembered the rules. Keep playing, Elijah. You fell for some dumb shit.
That's 9. Free throw. I don't want to get the ball.
Why they gotta go get it? They gotta run. Boy, you ain't. I about to say you about to go get that ball. You stupid as hell.
No, get off it. Are you even going? Elijah's still walking. No, he walks. I'm done. We got this.
You better get over. Both of y'all gotta make it.
That's 9. That's 8.
Hey.
9. 8. You just had. No, because remember when I just had 7. I got that block of joint out. 8. I was in the paint. You don't shoot for it. Paint don't give you no points. No, I was in the paint don't give you no points.
He's shooting for it. Go ahead, shoot for it.
You don't be about 1 point. What was that supposed to do? Stop. Alright, come on, bro.
Let's go.
It's our ball anyway.
You dumb as hell. You laugh at your own teammates, boy. You the worst.
And you the only person that's not scoring. Yes, I get blocked and I get.
Can't get the ball. That's the steal. That don't count as a point though. It's an interception. Yeah, good pass. Just get it a little lower than that. Get it to him faster. Don't let him steal it. Don't carry it no more neither.
You're not making those. You're not that guy, pal.
Wrong hand. You bouncing it with the wrong hand. That's out.
Oh yeah. I'm about to slap you right here.
Scoreboard. Scoreboard 8. Scotty, shut the fuck up, huh?
8. I know we got 8 now. We got to try 8.
All right, you can start talking now, Scotty.
I set you a pick. Hold on. Come here.
Too late.
That's not game. It's 9. Oh yeah, that's 9 because I have to go
You better run. Take your lap. You took it the long way. You should have touched the fence over here. Damn.
No, we can still do it. No, pass me the ball. Hurry up.
Get on the line.
Don't eat it. Eat it.
Let me give it to him. It got to be a free throw, you idiot.
Oh.
And it went over the other side. All right. Hey, one of y'all put that on the other side of the fence. I knew Scotty Dumbo was going to do that. Let's go.
We got 9.
Get. Ah!
That's 1 point. You lose. No. You did not lose. They have 5.
Y'all better take y'all lap. They shooting free throws.
Screaming at me,
All right, now you gotta make it, Jim.
Wait. Turnover, yes. I'm about to score. I'm in the tank. I was there. I was open. Don't even run.
I got it on tape. On how long he was down there.
When we go home, we hear you. I want
So-
to see how quick you go. Y'all not making nothing. You're bad.
That's 1. Now make it, Jude. Then he gotta run again.
That's 6. I believe 6-9. This time y'all better run. Or y'all can run all up there and get down.
Woo! All right, go ahead. Ball up. Nice.
I'm checking. It's good. Watch this.
Yeah, can't call for it until you're ready to catch it. Until you're ready for them to throw it. Ooh, that would have been a good pass over the top. Oh, you gotta know what that is.
Go up. Wide open.
Oh yeah, he is. Oh, back on defense. Yeah. Ooh. Good. First, your ball. Hold on, take it over top. Good hustle.
Wait, is they? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can assume he'll get it on the ground like that, then call timeout.
Go underground.
Lefty Lucy. Lefty Lucy. Y'all got to take that trip. Take that trip.
Ain't y'all just had 4? It's 7, bro. Oh my God, please shut up.
That's 1. Next player. Y'all might as well stay there on the hand on the wall. Up. That's again. That's a lap. Go ahead. Now you need 2 more shots. All right, that's it. Come on.
No one guard like crazy. That's what I've been trying to do. Got this. Lefty Lucy! Hey! Lefty Lucy! How do we be making that? Right here.
You got to drop the ball, remember, idiot?
8. No, you just had 7. What are you talking about? And he scored again. What? I just said they had 6. What kind of math he doing? This girl said 6-9. Then I hit 7. Okay. Okay. You already made it. What are you shooting for? Shoot.
Let's go.
You ain't here, Nah, he's not making no more points. You're not making no more points. You understand that, right? Yep, sure.
So I hear you. Yeah, if you can't, it's out.
I hit it out. Yes, I did.
It bounced up and hit underneath that bottom part, right? Yeah. That's on the line. Then that black line and that pole is the same distance.
And it's just not 2.
Still out. Ooh, good step back. Bueno.
No. Cut.
Ooh, good distance.
Oh, ain't no say cut. Nah, I don't want to hear you say cut for nothing, because I'll be doing it all the time. You act like you blind. And I be getting it.
Intermission.